the most important vitamin for health. Welcome to Health Living UK, your go-to channel for expert health tips, wellness advice, and nutrition secrets to keep you feeling your best. If you're looking for practical ways to improve your health and vitality, you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss out on life-changing health insights. What if I told you that a single vitamin could be the key to your energy, brain power, and even your mood? Yet, millions unknowingly suffer from its deficiency every day. Could you be one of them? Stay with me, because what you're about to learn might just change your health forever. In the world of nutrition, vitamins are commonly discussed, but not all vitamins are equal. Some are vital for specific functions, while others support multiple bodily processes. Among them, one vitamin stands out due to its unique properties. It is involved in metabolism, supports the nervous system, helps the body generate energy, and is crucial for the production of red blood cells. Most importantly, our body cannot produce it on its own, so we must obtain it through our diet or supplements. If we fail to do so, the consequences can be severe. This vitamin is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12, also known as cobalamin, is a water-soluble vitamin that plays a vital role in maintaining nerve cells, producing DNA, and forming red blood cells. When its levels drop, oxygen transportation in the body is affected, leading to fatigue, weakness, and even neurological problems. It is a silent warrior for our overall health, yet millions worldwide suffer from its deficiency without even knowing it. Initially, symptoms may seem minor, such as mild fatigue, occasional dizziness, or slight memory lapses. However, over time, if left untreated, the deficiency can lead to serious complications, including nerve damage, depression, and an increased risk of heart disease. The biggest challenge with vitamin B12 is that it is primarily found in animal-based foods, meaning certain groups of people are at a higher risk of deficiency. Vegetarians, vegans, elderly individuals, and those with digestive disorders like Crohn's disease or celiac disease are particularly vulnerable. Our body relies on a specific protein called intrinsic factor to absorb vitamin B12, and as we age, our production of this protein declines. This is why older adults are commonly deficient in B12 without realizing it. The same issue applies to people taking medications that interfere with B12 absorption, such as acid-reducing drugs or metformin for diabetes. But why is this vitamin so essential? One major role of vitamin B12 is in the production of red blood cells. These cells are responsible for carrying oxygen throughout the body, and when B12 levels drop, red blood cells become large and irregular, a condition known as megaloblastic anemia. This means less oxygen reaches your organs and tissues, leading to fatigue, weakness, and shortness of breath. It's a chain reaction. When your body doesn't get enough oxygen, your energy levels, mental clarity, and overall health suffer. Vitamin B12 is also crucial for brain health. It aids in the production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, which regulate mood and mental alertness. This is why B12 deficiency has been linked to depression, memory problems, and even dementia. Research shows that people with lower B12 levels are more likely to experience cognitive decline as they age. Some studies even suggest that B12 supplementation can slow down the progression of Alzheimer's disease. If you suspect you might be deficient in B12, pay attention to key symptoms: persistent fatigue, dizziness, pale or yellowish skin, mood swings, memory loss, and muscle weakness could be signs of a deficiency. Some people may also experience a swollen tongue or mouth sores. If left untreated for too long, nerve damage can become irreversible, making early diagnosis and treatment crucial. So, how can you get enough vitamin B12? The best sources include meat, fish, eggs, and dairy products. Specifically, beef liver and clams are among the richest sources, providing more than the recommended daily intake in just one serving. However, if you're a vegetarian or vegan, fortified foods like breakfast cereals, plant-based milk, and nutritional yeast can be helpful alternatives. If getting enough vitamin B12 through diet isn't feasible, supplements are an excellent alternative. B12 supplements come in various forms, including pills, sublingual drops, and injections for severe deficiencies. The best type of supplement depends on individual needs. Some people absorb methylcobalamin more effectively, while others benefit more from cyanocobalamin. If you're unsure, a simple blood test can determine your B12 levels and guide you on supplementation. Fortunately, taking too much vitamin B12 isn't harmful since it is water-soluble, and any excess is excreted through urine. However, maintaining a balanced diet and appropriate supplementation is the key to a healthy life. Vitamin B12 has a profound impact on health, yet it is often overlooked. Research indicates that ensuring an adequate intake of this vitamin can boost energy, enhance mental sharpness, and improve overall well-being. So, if you've been feeling unusually tired, anxious, or irritable, it might not be due to lack of sleep or aging. It could be a sign of vitamin B12 deficiency. Take charge of your health today by ensuring your B12 levels are optimal.